Understanding VPN leaks, why they matter.
Even with a VPN, your real IP address or browsing activity can be exposed through DNS, IP, or WebRTC leaks. These leaks can compromise your privacy and security. Knowing how to detect and prevent them is essential for using a VPN safely. Let's review the key steps beginners should follow to stay protected whenever they connect online.
Step 1. Choose a reliable VPN provider.
Pick a VPN service known for strong leak protection and privacy policies. Look for features such as DNS leak protection, a kill switch, and no-log policies. Reading user reviews and independent audits can help you select a trustworthy provider that actively guards against leaks.
Step 2. Enable leak protection features.
Open your VPN app's settings and activate all available leak protection options. Turn on DNS leak protection to keep your DNS queries secure. Enable the kill switch feature, which disconnects your internet if the VPN drops, preventing accidental data exposure during interruptions.
Step 3. Test for leaks after connecting.
After you connect to your VPN, use online tools to check for DNS, IP, and WebRTC leaks. Search for VPN leak test sites and follow their instructions. If any of your real information appears, adjust your settings or contact your VPN provider for assistance.
Step 4. Disable WebRTC in your browser.
WebRTC is a browser feature that can reveal your real IP address even with a VPN active. To prevent leaks, disable WebRTC in your browser settings or use extensions specifically designed to block WebRTC. This simple step can greatly improve your online privacy.
Step 5. Keep your software up to date.
Always keep your VPN app, operating system, and web browsers updated. Updates often include important security fixes and performance improvements, helping to close potential gaps that could cause leaks.
Staying leak-free, your VPN safety checklist.
By carefully choosing your VPN, enabling leak protections, running regular leak tests, disabling WebRTC, and staying updated, you can confidently browse the web with better privacy. These simple steps make a big difference for beginners looking to avoid VPN connection leaks.